guys, it's Cole here and I'm gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. And I'm being chased by Santa Claus. Sorry if I'm getting in the way. Whoa, whoa, oh! Save me, no! I don't want to. I just look at this. Let me just look at me. Is there any more characters? Hello? Any more exclusives? No? No? No exclusives? I think she's an exclusive. Oh, I want Ninja. Ninja best. Wait, his name's Ninja King. Prison. This is my beauty. Today I'm gonna shake my booty. Sorry if I'm doing rubbish, but it's just that I'm using one hand and one hand to record. Oh, roll! Take a roll! Ooh, power up! Yeah. What? You can land on here? Why?
What time?
Why?
Yeah, it's for a nip out, but you know you're at 8 quid now, yeah. About an hour.
Oh, man!
Alright.
That's so not fair. I was distracted. I'm sorry if they're speaking in the background.
Oh, don't record yet while I'm still drunk.
Right, the front flip. Hey, do a front flip. Yay, front flips. Flips for days. Hey, I think I lost Santa. Santa Claus is coming. Why, Santa? Don't give me coal for Christmas. Oh yeah, and sorry if this is festive. I'm just not getting the update yet, because it takes quite a long time. Why? Boots. Why? Are these meant for jumping or walking? Why? Aw. Awesome. Can I do one more front flip that'll make me happy? Yay, I'm happy. I'll be good seeing you. Ah! Santa? You came on the roof? Well, that makes sense. Right. Ow! Santa! Please, stop it. And once again, I'm sorry if there's any background thing, any background talking. It's just that it's the beginning of the morning. Nick. Santa can't follow me. I'm an athlete. Wait. Oh yeah, and if the creators of this are watching, because they like watching stylish people play this stylish game. But I got a roll 30 times. Whoa! Whoa! Style. Hey, Santa! Stop following! Well, Santa got squished as well. Why don't he get coal for chasing? No, don't ask again. Alright guys, if you're wondering how I'm recording this on the tablet, it's because I'm using my old one. And here's my home. What? Sorry about that. Right, one more go and then we'll end it here. Because this is so addicting. But not like Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird's Eve. Alright, I promise this is the last time I'm doing this. Why? Why do they have to make games like Flappy Bird? Instead, Running Man! Front flip for the win! Alright, I'm ending it here. Bye!